My name is Jayant. I am studying in LKG. My school name is St. Philomena's High School in Chandapura.
Planets in solar system.
Planets in solar system: Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Earth, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus.
4 Vedas.
4 Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dashavantara of and Vishnu: Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India: Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Grandmother, Periyar, Tamilabani, Vailai, Yamuna.
States and capitals.
States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Hyderabad, Ivan, Nagaland, Kolima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Gangtok, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttarakhand, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, West Bengal, Kolkata.
National symbols.
National symbol for
Father of the nation.
Mahatma Gandhiji.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
Lion capital.
National flag.
Tricolor flag.
National flower.
Lotus.
National animal.
Tiger.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National bird.
Peacock.
National fruit.
Mango.
National vegetable.
Pumpkin.
National language.
Hindi.
National calendar.
Saka calendar.
National book.
Bhagavad Gita.
National game.
Hockey.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National river.
Ganga.
Neighbor countries of India.
Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighbor state of Karnataka.
Neighbor state of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
5 oceans.
5 oceans: Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
7 continents of the world.
7 continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Jnanapita Awards winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapita Award winner from Karnataka: Kuvenpu, Dara Bendre, Shivaram Karam, Asti Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Gokar, Yuvarantamurthy, Vinish Karna, Chandrasekhar Kambara.
Classical dance from India.
Classical dance from of India: Bharatanatyam Tamil Nadu, Kathakali Kerala, Kathak Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri Manipur, Kuchipudi Andhra Pradesh, Odissi Odisha, Sataliya Assam, Monkey dance Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya Gujarat, Yakshagana Karnataka.
National festivals.
National festivals: January 26, Republic Day; August 15, Independence Day; September 5th, Teachers Day; October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti; November 14, Children's Day.
7 wonders of India.
7 wonders of India: Gonteshwari in Karnataka, Taj Mahal in Delhi, Hampi Temple in Karnataka, Konark Temple in Odisha, Nanjangud city Bihar, Khajuraho in Madhya Pradesh, Golden Temple in Punjab.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Minister of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujral Lal Nanda, Lal Babu Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Buradi Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, विश्वनाथ प्रताप सिंह, चंद्रशेखर, वीरी नरसिम्हा राव, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी, मनमोहन सिंह, नरेंद्र मोदी.
Chief Ministers of Karnataka.
Chief Minister of Karnataka, Changal Raya Reddy, Changal Manmantaya, Kadidal Machappa, S. Nilanjanappa, B.D. Jatti, S.R. Kanti, Virendra Patel, V. Devaraj Aras, R. Gundurao, Ramakrishna Hedde, S.R. Bommai, S. Bangarappa, S. Veerappa Moily, H.D. Devegowda, J.H. Patel, S.M. Krishna, Dharam Singh, V.V. Sadananda Gowda, Jagdish Shetty, Siddaramaiah, H.D. Kumaraswamy, B.S. Yediyurappa, Basavaraj Bommai, Siddaramaiah.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Bodo, Dori, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
President of India.
President of India: Rajendra Prasad, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Jaggi Hussain, B.V. Giri, B.D. Jatti, Bilam Sanjeev Reddy, Shankar Daya Sharma, Venkateswamy Venkataramana, K.R. Narayan, APJ Abdul Kalam, Pratibha Patil, Pranab Mukherjee, Ramnath Kovind, Draupadi Murmu.
30 districts in Karnataka.
30 districts in Karnataka: Bagalkot, Ballari, Bidar, Bengaluru Rural, Bengaluru Asbad, Bengavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikbalapura, Chitradurga, Dakshin Kannada, Davangere, Dharwad, Gadag, Hasan, Kaveri, Kalburgi, Kodagu, Kolar, Koppal, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagar, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttarakhand, Vijaypur, Yadgiri.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Names of Rutus.
Names of Rutus: Vasanta Rutu, Grishma Rutu, Varsha Rutu, Sharida Rutu, Hemanta Rutu, Shishira Rutu.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu months: Chaitra, Vaishakha, Jyeshtha, Ashadha, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashvija, Kartika, Nagashila, Pushya, Magha, Palguna.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India: New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Borders of India.
Borders of India: North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bay of Bengal, West Arabian Sea.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka: Pulkeshi, Krishnadevaraya, Vishnuvardhana, Mayogavarma, Amoghavashya, Padakali Nayaka, Kitturani Channamma, Akka Bukka, Jayachamara Jodaya, Kempegowda.
Epics of India.
Epics of India: Ramayana and Mahabharata.
Indian festivals.
Indian festival: Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Muharram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighters of India.
Women freedom fighters of India: Durgabai Deshmukh, Aruna Safari, Suchitra Khiparani, Kitturani Channamma, Keladi Channamma, Vanake Obava, Vijay Lakshmi Pandey, Sarojini Naidu, Jhalsi Lakshmi Bai.
Religions of India.
Religions of India: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsi.
10 Mukha Upanishad.
Tanyupya Upanishad, Ishavasya Upanishad, Pranava Upanishad, Katha Upanishad, Prashna Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Aitharya Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad, Chandukya Upanishad, Tarandakya Upanishad.
18 Puranas.
18 Puranas: Vishnu Purana, Matsya Purana, Bhavishya Purana, Kurma Purana, Garuna Purana, Agni Purana, Vavana Purana, Skanda Purana, Shiva Purana, Bhagavata Purana, Markandeya Purana, Linga Purana, Vayu Purana, Nagada Purana, ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ವೈದಂತ್ಯ ಪುರಾಣ, ಪದ್ಮ ಪುರಾಣ.
Most popular international airport.
Most popular international airport, Indira Gandhi Airport in New Delhi, Rajiv Gandhi Airport in Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport in Mumbai, Chennai Airport in Chennai, Kempegowda Airport in Bangalore.
9 union territories.
9 Union Territories, New Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman Diu, Nagar Haveri, Pondicherry, Andaman Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh.
7 wonders of the world.
7 wonders of the world, Great Wall of Chennai, Machu Picchu, Taj Mahal, Krishna Heritage, Colosseum, Krishna Jordan, Chichen Itza.
Indian dynastics.
Indian dynasties, Chalukya dynasty, Chola dynasty, Vaishalya dynasties, Maurya dynasty, Pallava dynasty, Mukta dynasties, Rashtrakuta dynasties, Mughal dynasties, Vijayanagara dynasties, Vardhana dynasties.
5 sense organs.
5 sense organs: eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists: Srinivas Ramanujan, Sri V. Raman, Homi Bhabha, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Meghana Saha, M. Vishweshwaraya, Satyendranath Bose, Subramaniam Chandrasekhar, Vikram Sarabhai, Anu Godkar, APJ Abdul Kalam.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: rights to equality, rights to freedom, rights to organized exploitation, rights to freedom of religions, cultural and educational rights, rights to constitution remedies.
Genders.
Genders:
Masculine.
female,
Male.
female,
Boy.
girl,
Brother.
sister,
Father.
mother,
Grandfather.
grandmother,
Son.
daughter,
Daddy.
mummy,
Papa.
mama,
Uncle.
auntie,
Gentleman.
lady,
Husband.
wife,
Man.
woman,
Sir.
madam,
Bull.
cow,
Cock.
hen,
Dog.
beach,
Lion.
lioness,
Tiger.
tigress.
ಲಿಂಗಗಳು.
ಲಿಂಗಗಳು: ಪುಲ್ಲಿಂಗ, ಸ್ತ್ರೀಲಿಂಗ,
ಗಂಡು.
ಹೆಣ್ಣು,
ಹುಡುಗ.
ಹುಡುಗಿ,
ಅಣ್ಣ.
ಅಕ್ಕ,
ತಂದೆ.
ತಾಯಿ,
ಅಜ್ಜ.
ಅಜ್ಜಿ,
ಮಗ.
ಮಗಳು,
ಅಪ್ಪ.
ಅವ್ವ,
ಚಿಕ್ಕಪ್ಪ.
ಚಿಕ್ಕಮ್ಮ,
ಗೃಹಸ್ಥ.
ಮಹಿಳೆ,
ಗಂಡ.
ಹೆಂಡತಿ,
ಪುರುಷ.
ಮಹಿಳೆ,
ಸೋದರಳಿಯ.
ಸೋದರ ಸೊಸೆ,
ಸರ್.
ಮೇಡಮ್,
ಗೂಳಿ.
ಆಕಳು,
ಹುಂಜ.
ಕೋಳಿ,
ಗಂಡು ನಾಯಿ.
ಹೆಣ್ಣು ನಾಯಿ,
ಗಂಡು ಸಿಂಹ.
ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಸಿಂಹ.
ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ಸ್.
Countries and capitals: Afghanistan, Kabul, Argentina, Buenos Aires, Australia, Canberra, Russia, Vienna, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Belgium, Brazil, Bhutan, Thimphu, Brazil, Brasilia, Bulgaria, Sofia, Canada, Ottawa, Chile, Santiago, China, Brazil, Colombia, Gotland, Denmark, Cambridge, Dominican Republic, Santo Domingo, Egypt, Cairo, Finland, Helsinki. Thank you, friends.